Hi there, students. Prattle. To prattle, a verb. Also prattle, a noun. So to prattle is to talk at great length about inconsequential things, or to talk incessantly in a childish way. So the two old ladies stood prattling in the street for an hour and a half, but I don't think they really talked about anything. Okay, we can also use prattle to mean in a childish way, making childish sounds. Yeah. So the children were prattling, a sound that's meaningless and suggestive of the chatter of children. Okay, so to prattle as well, just make sounds. But most normally to prattle, to babble, to talk on and on and on. Trifling, empty talk. Yeah? I think it's one thing to chat, but it's another thing to prattle. Or very commonly to prattle on, to keep on and on talking. Don't let me prattle on. It's probably time that you went and time you actually did some work. Okay, my prattle is not going to make life easier for you. So prattling, he spent all day prattling with the person sitting next to him. Yeah, or kids in class prattling, and you just don't know how to shut them up. Yeah, she prattled on and on until I just wanted to start screaming. I'd had enough of her mindless prattle. Yeah, so chatter, waffle, to run on, to rabbit on. To talk drivel on and on and on, to jabber. Yeah, to blather, to gabble, to jabber as well, or even to prate. So, to prattle is either to talk on and on about something of no meaning or no consequence at all, or to talk rapidly but incoherently or indistinctly, so you can't actually make out the words. Oh, just stop your prattling. I don't want any more of your stories that you repeat again and again and again. Yeah, just stop prattling. If I'd let her go on, she would have prattled on. Notice the on, about her visit to the hospital all day. Yeah, I wish she'd just stop prattling. Yeah, it's full of boring things that are of no consequence. They have no substance at all. Yeah, I hate people prattling. Okay, so how formal is to prattle? I think this is probably, I'm going to give it a 5 in formality, maybe 4.5. Definitely good for an informal conversation. I think you could use it for a semi-formal writing. Maybe for something very formal, to talk on, empty talk, trifling talk. Yeah, to babble or something like that. Notice as well, to prattle is a regular verb. He prattled all afternoon. They have prattled since this morning. And then to prattle probably comes from the word to prate, which is another English word meaning prattle. And there's a Dutch word, Prattling, meaning to mutter, and clearly these words are linked. Okay, so I'd better stop prattling and let you get on with whatever you were doing. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Prattle.